Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol QRTEA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to build some context here. But very, very impressive movement today when you start off with the fact that just on Tuesday the price was down there, and then the price has worked its way all the way up there. Definitely a very nice move, but that does bring about the valid question of, yeah, great move, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, and just to offer up context, the reason I have it scrunched up is just because of that. It makes it a little bit easier to see if I bring it over like there. So because of that big gap down. But the very helpful level to watch moving forward is going to be right here at $6.20. Why is $6.20 important? And I'm not saying at all if this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to that level, behave in that manner, then go to the downside, what would you have? Well, from a very literal point of view, you would quite literally have the price having gone right back to where it was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But to be fair, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, now all of a sudden you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down there if you envision each of those as stair steps. Well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, quote unquote progress being defined right there at $6.20. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here. The parting momentum finally stopped today at $6.95. So $6.95 will be that first key level. And then the next area you're going to want to watch is that purple line up there, the 50-period moving average, currently valued right around $8.25. But again, keep in mind that's a moving average, so that value is going to decrease as Thursday plays out. But all in all, crazy bounce today. Very impressive movement. Let's see if the price can build upon this momentum moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.